Zohaib Rana, a cancer researcher at the University of Otago, is looking at new ways of killing cancer cells without the side effects of current treatments.
We are going to try and upregulate certain mechanisms that would cause the cancer cells to die, and we are trying to target their weaknesses.
Zohaib is currently targeting one specific molecule in castration-resistant prostate cancer.
It's a class of molecules called histone deacetylases, and histone deacetylases, there are 18 types, and we are going to try and pin it down to one or two types that are actually involved.
Cancer relies on spreading via the blood and the lymphatic system, so Zohaib is targeting these systems.
We have been able to shut down the process by which it spreads, and we also have been able to downregulate certain proteins that can cause blood vessel formation and blood vessel sprouting towards the tumor.
Zohaib has been growing these cancer cells in his lab so he can work on new ways to differentiate and destroy these cancer cells.
We basically just grow cancer cells, and then we would count these cancer cells and we would subject it to certain kinds of treatments, and then we would analyze them for what kind of changes is it causing. Is it killing the cells, or is it changing the way the cancer cells look? At the end of the day, what I intend on doing is to really put these drugs through clinical trials, and I guess we have been getting really good responses up until now.
Prostate cancer is the second leading cause of cancer death in men, and about 175,000 new cases have been found in the US this year. While the threat of prostate cancer is very real, Zohaib is extremely optimistic and sees hope for the future.
I think the thing that really excites me is that there is so much that we can do. It excites me for the amount of opportunity that there is to make things better. And I guess nowadays a lot of the researchers, they get very involved in very little details, and so they forget to look at the bigger picture. Bigger picture is servicing people in a certain useful way. So if they have that big picture in mind and if they do things, it is a lot of fun. The journey is the reward basically, so that's how it works.